Hello everybody, myself Mutahir, and today we will discuss about my project which is given by EdYoda, and my project is a blog project and the whole project is based on Django framework. So now let's start our project. This is my project. These are all my blogs, and here I have a category buttons. Like if I click any of the category, then I fetch the data according to that category. If I click on here others, then I get a blog according to that category. If I click on the programming language, I get the data according to this. Here I get two blocks. These two blocks have category is programming language. When I click on home button, then it takes me to the home page. And in my home page header, I have a search bar. Basically, we use this search bar to find any particular title. Yeah, sorry, any particular blog. Like if I search here typical, then I get a blog which starts with typical. If I click, if I search anything like which is not in our blog, like I here I search from, then it is send me an error that he said your search did not match any document. Again I click the home page and I go to the home page. After search bar we have three buttons, that's home page. Always home button takes me to the home page, and login button which is takes me to a form which is generally used for a user to log in this particular blog. So now when I click on contact us, it gives me a form which takes name, email and contact. Now go through login part. Before login part, we will one more thing we have to discuss. When a user is an anonymous user or a new user, when he come to this site and he saw these blogs, if he want to read or view the details of that blogs, then when he click on any particular blogs, then it is send him to login page. That means he cannot view the or he cannot read the blog without logged in. That means he must, if you want to read the blog, then he must be logged. If any user want to see the details view of that particular blog, so he must be logged in. Now when I click on home page and go to the login view, here I get a username or email and a password and login button. If you don't have any account, then we have a sign up button here, and if I forget the password, then I have a reset button here. So now we will go through a registered user. Like Motahir is a registered user. When I go through him, I get this thing. If I logged in, then I come to the home page, but now we are logged in. Here we have option create blog, my blog, and also the search bar option, and also here this welcome Motahir is take me to my profile. When I click on this, it takes me to the profile. When I click on log out, then it is logged out. Again I will try to log in by another user, but this time I go through the mail. Like if I click, when I click logged in by email, it also takes me to the logged in page. Now Pavan is the user. Now when I click on this, then I get the details. It takes me to the profile. Here the profile picture of Pavan and the biodata of Pavan, and the first name, last name, username, the email of Pavan, and the contact and the category. Here its category is A. Here A means the this user is a author. That means the author has a power to add, delete and update the post and also view the post, but the reader is not access this type of facility. He only access to view the blogs. Like here I am a author. When I click on the create blog, it takes me to the create blog page. this is the create block page. Here I will create a new block. We will discuss about later. When I click on my blocks, then it takes to me a page where all my blocks which is written by the same user, that page here. And here we have two type of category like draft block and published block. When I click on published block, it show me the published block. When I click on draft blocks, it show me nothing. That means here he has nothing in the draft block. Now if you go to this block, I click on this block. This is the detailed view of a blog. In the top bar we get the title and we get update button and the delete button. So who is the author of this? In the button part, I got the all details about this blog. That means who is the author of that particular blog and what is the title and what is the category of that blog. If I click on this category, it takes me to the category page. Now here the author is Pawan. That means the user who here Pawan is also logged in. So if he want to update this, then he can update because he is the author of that particular block. So this is my block. Now I change the status of this to the draft, and if I click on update, it is send me to the successfully updated. So thanks, send me to the thank you page. That means when I go to my blog and check the draft blog, then it show me this. If I again click on this and update this, and I will change it here, like I will change this to published and update, then it is again show me the thank you page. That means it is updated. And now I click on home page or my blog page. When I click on draft, here is nothing. Now I click on home page. Now when I go to the blogs, here we have some blogs, and when I click on this particular blogs, it show me the same things, but in the button here is the author of that particular blog is Motahir, but logged in user is Pawan. So for Pawan, if you want to update this, if you click this update, then it is show him an error 403 error. That means the user who created the form, he can only delete and update that form. No another user can do these things. Like if I click these blocks, like these blocks, and I try to delete this, then it show me are you want to delete, and if I click on delete, then it automatically deleted. But for the this block where the author is Motahir and logged in user is Pawan, so when he tried to delete this, then he get 403 error. And one more thing, I go to home page. If I logged out and again I am logged in, then that means it show me if you don't have any account, then you sign up here. I clicked on sign up. I get a form, like I click here reserve, and my username is reserve, and my email is reserve@gmail.com @gmail.com. And here I mentioned that the category is reader, not the author. Before that we saw Mutahir and Pawan are author. Now I mention it as a reader and set the password for this, confirm that password, and if I click now, I write something in my bio part, like I only write that I am Rishabh, and when I click on sign up page, that it is show me that username, a user with that username is already exists. So username, if I click on Rishabh1 and change it to the Rishabh1, that means the user is already exists. So I change this, and also I change here the mail. Here is the mail. I change this, and Again I set the password, and now if I clicked on sign up, then it is automatically generated and it is automatically take me to the logged in home page. Now here if I click on this, I get this. I did not upload my profile picture, so automatically I get this type of profile picture. And here my last name is blank and my contact is blank. My category is a R, that means reader. So for reader, when reader can't have facility to create a blog, so when I click on the create blog, I get an error, so I did not access to create any blog. Click on home page, and this is my home page. If I go to these blogs, these are the blogs. If here I try to update that, also I get the 403 error because I am not the author, I am the reader. But for that part, the author who is logged in and who wants to update that the blog of that particular author, if any particular author is logged in here and the blog is her, so he can change that particular blog, otherwise he can't change that particular blog. Now when I click on this, I go to my home profile details page. Here we have two options, that is update option and the change password option. When I click on update, it is send me to the, if I click on this update, it is send me to the update form. Here I give him that contact number, like I give any one of the contact number, and I change the profile picture. Before that I can't give any profile picture to him. I go to my desktop and go to home page. Now I give this is a profile picture, and when I click on update, then it automatically updated. Now when I go to profile, then here is my profile picture and here is my contact. When I click on change password, then it is send me a form, that is what is your old password and the new password. And now I fill the form. This is my old password and this is my new password. I fill here. After that, when I click on submit, it is send me that your password is changed. So my password now is changed. Now I go to the home page. Now I click on log out. Here I click on logged out. Again I try to log in, but for this time I forgot my password. So what can I do? Here I have an option that if anyone forgot his password, then he can reset it. When I click on reset, it give me that you give your email. Like now Pavan is author and I try to give her mail. I click this because Pavan is want to logged in. Now it send me a link to my terminal. Basically it send the link to the mail. For now this time it send me the link to my terminal. When I click on that particular link, then I get a new form. When I click on new password and I fill my new password because I forgot my old password. Now I fill my new password. So when I click on reset, then it send me that now your password is changed. Thank you. That means my password is changed. Now Pawan wants to log in. Now he tried to log in with his mail ID and give the new password, and this is her new password. Then he tried to log in, then he go to the login. Now if a author, we saw reader can't access to create blog, but now if any author try to create a blog, then then he give a title, like my title is my blog. If I set like this, that is my blog, And in the content part I write that what I write that this is my blog. Now when make this status published and give a category cloud computing and change the image change the image into these things. Now open. Now it change it to the others. Sorry. Now submit. Then my blog is created. When I click my blogs and go to this is my blogs. Here I get the blogs and also I get that particular blogs in my home page. When I click this particular blog I get the image and here I get the details, and here is the author is Pawan and title is my blog, category is authors, and the last published date or updated date is here. Now if I go to the top and if I try to update this and I click on update, I face a form where I try to update. This is my blog. If I this is my if I click here second blog, if I make it second blog and again I click on update and it is automatically updated. I go to my home page and I go to this blog. So here this is my second blog. I get it here. Here the author is Pawan and the logged in user is Pawan. So he can perform update and delete option. If he click on delete, then he can delete this. But if the blog which is written by Motahir, the another author, and if the logged in user like Pavan is also a author, but if he try to update it, it is show him to the 403 error. So for now, this is all about my project. Here all of my details, all of my front end function I will share with you. Okay, thank you.